everyone, I'm Czarina and today I will be guiding you throughout this video which focuses on one of the fundamental concepts in electricity, current. So what is current? Commonly defined as the rate of flow of charge through a conductor, we can picture current using the following scenario. This process can be explained using the concept of a pipe, where voltage is the pressure supplied and current is the rate of water flow. In the absence of pressure, the water just sits in a hose with no general direction. However, as faucet is turned, the applied pressure forces the water to flow through the hose. Consider a common isolated copper wire. There is a motion of free carriers, but the flow of charge fails to have a particular direction and cancels each other. Thus, the net flow of charge or current is equal to zero. Now, suppose a battery is connected with the wire. Applying a voltage across the wire forces the electrons to move towards the positive terminal of the battery, while positive ions simply oscillate in a mean fixed position. The total charge passing through a point in the wire in 1 second is the value of the current. By this, we can conclude that the voltage is the starting mechanism while the current is a reaction to the applied voltage. Note that in a circuit, current is measured using a device called an ammeter, which has to be connected in series with a component to allow the same current to flow through it. From this triangular figure given below, we can derive the following formulas. I is equal to Q over T, Q is equal to I times T, and T is equal to Q over I, where Q is the charge and is measured in units of coulombs, T is the time taken whose unit is seconds, and I is the current, measured in coulomb per second or amperes, named after the French physicist André-Marie Ampère. A large current, such as that used to start a truck engine, moves a large amount of charge in a small time, whereas a small current, such as that used to operate a handheld calculator, moves a small amount of charge over a long period of time. Now that we fully understand what current is, it's time to test our knowledge using examples. Example 1. The charge flowing through a point in a conductor is 0.16 coulombs every 64 milliseconds. Determine the current in amperes. Knowing the formula I is equal to Q over T, we have 0.16 coulombs divided by 0.064 seconds, which will give us an answer of 2.5 amperes. Example 2. Determine how long it will take 4 times 10 to the power of 16 electrons to pass through an imaginary surface if the current is 5 milliamps. First, multiply the known charge of 1 electron with the number of electrons given in the question to find total charge. Then, divide this value by the given current of 5 milliamps, thus giving you an answer of 1.28 seconds. This video was made possible by the following: Introductory Circuit Analysis by Boylestad and cnx.org. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.